Introduction. Hello children, do you know me? Yes, I am 1 rupee coin. When you go to market, you spend me to buy fruits, vegetables or any of your favorite games. Let's learn more about money today. Objectives. At the end of this lesson, you will be able to convert rupees into paisa, add and subtract rupees and paisa, determine unit and multiple costs of items, estimate the total. We start with conversion of rupee to paisa and vice versa. 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa and 250 paisa. 20 rupees and 25 paisa is equal to 25 multiplied by 100 plus 25 paisa. This becomes 2500 plus 25 paisa. We can say it as 2525 paisa. Amazing! So much money! It's time to convert paisa into rupees. 475 paisa is equal to 400 paisa plus 75 paisa. As we know, 400 paisa is equal to 4 rupees. Therefore, we can write as 4 rupees and 75 paisa. Adding rupees and paisa. Let us learn addition of rupees and paisa. Add 15 rupees 50 paisa and 2 rupees 25 paisa. Write the amount in 2 separate columns of rupees and paisa. First add numbers in paisa column. 50 plus 25 paisa is equal to 75 paisa. Now add numbers in rupees column. 15 plus 2 is 17. Therefore, the sum is 17 rupees and 75 paisa. Subtraction of rupees and paisa is simple. Subtract 1 rupee 50 paisa from 50 rupees 75 paisa. We first subtract numbers in the paisa column and then in rupee column. So the answer is 49 rupees and 25 paisa. Let us hear what these girls are talking. My mother bought these 2 dolls, one for me and one for my younger sister. The unit cost of doll is 100 rupees. Do you understand the term unit cost? Unit cost is the cost of single unit. So the cost of single doll is rupees 100. The multiple cost of 2 dolls is equal to rupees 100 multiplied by 2. The multiple cost of dolls is rupees 200. A multiple cost is the cost of more than one and is calculated as unit cost multiplied by number of items. Estimation of cost means calculating total cost of different items. We understand it by taking an example. What will be the total cost of 4 pencils, 2 chocolates and 1 tennis ball? If the unit cost of pencil is 1 rupee 50 paisa, unit cost of chocolate is rupees 15 and tennis ball is rupees 5. Now we calculate total cost of these items. Thus, we have total cost which is equal to 4 into 1.50 plus 2 into 15 plus 1 into 5. This is equal to 60 plus 30 plus 5 rupees, which amounts to rupees 41. Thus, this is estimated cost. Summary. Let us summarize what we have learnt. Rupee 1 is equal to 100 paisa. The cost of single unit is termed as unit cost. Multiple cost is calculated as unit cost multiply by number of items. Estimation of cost is the calculation of the total price of different items.